In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures on TradingView. First, make sure you have a compatible brokerage account. Most importantly, you need to connect this account through the trading panel at the bottom of your TradingView chart. Begin by opening up the trading panel right there at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a list of supported brokers you can choose from, such as TradeStation or Interactive Brokers. Go ahead and select the broker that matches the account you've set up. Once you're connected, you'll notice a green icon appearing, which confirms that your account connection is successful. You'll also be able to view your account value right there in the trading panel. Now that your account is connected, let's move on to selecting a futures contract. Look towards the symbol search bar, and here you'll need to type in the ticker symbol for the futures contract you're interested in. For instance, if you're keen on trading the Micro E-mini S&P 500, you'll type in MES. Remember, it's essential to pick a specific contract with the correct expiration date from the drop-down menu. Continuous contracts might be tempting, but they do not support live trading, so make sure you select one with a set expiration. With your futures contract chosen, it's time to place an order. You have the flexibility here. You can use the order ticket within the trading panel or the convenient buy-sell buttons directly on the chart. Decide on the type of order you want, whether it's a market, limit, or stop order, and don't forget to specify the quantity. If you're looking to manage risk effectively, and I highly recommend doing so, you can add take profit and stop loss levels right here. Once you're satisfied with your settings, just click Place Order, and your futures trade will be submitted. Now, once your trade is in action, you'll want to manage it closely. Keep track of your open positions by clicking on your orders directly on the chart. This will allow you to modify or cancel orders as needed. If you've set take profit and stop loss orders, rest assured you can also adjust these. Just click the Modify Order button as necessary. Managing these orders ensures you stay aligned with your trading strategy and risk management plan. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently trade futures on TradingView. Remember, successful trading requires not only the technical know-how, but also consistent and disciplined management of your orders and positions. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.